Good morning, welcome back to the channel from a very overcast Lanzarote. The weather does clear up by lunchtime here, and there will be blue skies later on today. Anyway, just going to do a video here on the best places to eat in Los Pocillos. I'm sure I've done one before, but this will be an updated one. These are going to be in no particular order, it's just as I'm walking down the road. And as it's 8 a.m. in the morning, there's not many places open. Anyway, so if you fancy a Chinese, recommend the Great Wall. They do a set menu, I think it's for $10.95, and you get 4 courses for that. So that is the Great Wall. Cafe Mocka there on my right is absolutely fabulous for breakfast. They open about 9:30 and I think they close about lunchtime. So that's Cafe Mocka. That's one restaurant I've never tried, Devon. I've heard it's very good, but never tried it. So let me know if you've tried it and what you think. And then we have Ohio. Let me see if the menu's outside, get the prices. There we go, hope the camera picks all this up. Just have to tilt her a little bit. The Caesar salad's really good. And then also they do tapas here. And that is Restaurant Ohio. Danielle Italian food, which is up the stairs there. Again, you can see the prices are very similar everywhere. And then there's El Molino Restaurant Grill. Very good, they do some really good tapas there. All the types of tapas they do there, so. And that's El Molino, recommend that if you fancy some tapas. And 2 more. They're very close together. We have Labarrica. And in there, I actually recommend the fish tacos. They are very good. Again, they do tapas. And it's $6.80 a dish. Let's grab the menu there. Yeah, so definitely recommend the fish tacos here. My wife really liked the steak. So there's some recommendations for you. And the last place I want to mention is Elicios, especially if you only want a snack or something. They do some great snacks there. Very, very chilled out bar. They do have a couple of TVs that show sport and that. And got to say, my wife absolutely loves the chocolate brownie they do in there. I shall put a picture of it on the screen. So anyway, thanks for watching as usual. Please check out my other Lanzarote videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe.